press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi everyone. So the stars and the solar system. So we are discussing about this lesson. So in this lesson, in the previous part, we discussed about the planets, that is Mercury, Venus and Earth. So the next planet, that is fourth planet of our solar system, is Mars. So it is the fourth planet from the sun. Fourth planet from the sun. Okay. So it is the fourth planet from the sun. The first planet is it will start from Mercury, Venus and Earth. Okay. So it is also known as it is very small in size, and having small mass, Okay. So and third point is it is a very cold planet. It is a very cold planet because it is far away from the sun. Because it is very far off from the sun. Okay. So because it is a very cold planet, because it is a very far off from the sun. Okay. So like this, these are the informations about the Mars planet, and another one is first one is it is a fourth planet from the sun. Second one is it is very small in size and having small mass. It is a cold planet because it is a very far off from the sun. And for this sun, so this star we will also called as Mars is also called as Mangal. It is also called as the Mangal. Okay. So and having it is a very far away from the planet. So and it is having it is a rocky planet. It is a rocky planet. So it consists of rocky planet. So that's why we will call it as rock. It is made up of rocks. That's why it is called as a rocky planet. So the next one is, so the atmosphere of Mars consists of, carbon dioxide gas, nitrogen, hydrogen and water vapor. So this the Mars atmosphere consists of the carbon dioxide gas, nitrogen, hydrogen and some water vapor. Okay. So for this reason, because of this planet consists of a carbon dioxide, nitrogen and hydrogen and water vapor, our scientist has tested that. So they sent the satellite, means artificial satellite, to check the surface of the Mars, and also they launched a Mangalyaan. So Mangalyaan anta ನೀವು ಹೆಸರು ಕೇಳಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಈ Mangalyaan ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ 2005 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಬಂದು 2013 November 5, 2013 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಆ ಸ್ಯಾಟಲೈಟ್ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಮಂಗಲ್ಯಾನ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿವಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ದ ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ Mars and it is sending the pictures, means it is giving information about the atmosphere of the Mars. So that we can know about there check about there is any chances to existence of life existence of the human beings. So ಈ atmosphere ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಲೈಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಚೆಕ್ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅದರ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ದೇ ಲಾಂಚ್ಡ್ ಎ ಮಂಗಲ್ಯಾನ್. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ 1 year, September 24, 2014, so it launched successfully, launched on the orbit, means it reaches the orbit of the Mars. Okay, this is about the Mars, and it consists of a 2 natural satellites. It consists of 2 natural satellites. Okay, so this is the information about the Mars planet. It is the 4th planet from the sun in our solar system. Then it is a very small in size and having a small mass. Then it is a cold planet because it is very far off from the sun. And then Mars is also called as a Mangal Graha anta karitivi. Okay, so it is a rocky planet because it is made up of rocks. That's why we call Mars as a rocky planet. Then the atmosphere of the Mars consists of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen and water vapor. So and it can means some chances are there about to life, to the existence of the life. It consists of 2 satellites. Okay, this is about the information of the Mars. So the next planet is Jupiter. Fifth planet, Jupiter. So it is the 5th planet in our solar system. So Jupiter, it is the biggest planet. Okay, so ella planets ginta this one is biggest. It is the biggest planet in our solar system. So it is also a cold planet because it is far away from the sun. So that's why it is also we will call it as a cold planet. Then next one is, so it is having rings. It is having rings. So ಈ ರೀತಿ ಸ್ಯಾಟಲೈಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್ಗೆ ರಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಆ ರೀತಿ ರಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ in the surface of the Jupiter. So it is the biggest planet in our system, in our solar system, and it is the 5th planet, and also it is a cold planet. It is having a ring around the planet. Okay, so the next one, it is easily visible, seen to our eyes. So it is also known as Brihaspati Graha. Okay, so it is easily seen in the night sky because of its size. Night sky because of its size. Okay, so because of its size, it is easily seen in the night sky. So next one is, life cannot exist in this planet. Why? So it is a cold planet. It consists of mainly hydrogen and helium gases, and also some poisonous gases like methane and ammonia. So that's why there is no existence of the life, and also it consists of mainly 28 natural satellites are present in this Jupiter. So that's why it is the biggest planet in the solar system. The other point is, it consists of a life cannot exist in this planet because because of presence of the hydrogen, methane, ammonia gases. Okay, and it also contains hydrogen and helium gases. Because of the presence of these poisonous gases, so there is no existence of the life. Okay, so the next one is it has 28 satellites. It has 28 satellites. It has its own 28 satellites. Okay, so this is all information about the Jupiter, the planet Jupiter. So the first one I told that it is the 5th planet from our solar system, and it is a very cold planet because of it is far away from the sun, and also it is having a ring. So Jupiter means it is having a ring in its surface, and also it is a very big in size. That's why it can be seen easily in the night sky. So it's a stars satellites ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು by using our telescope. So then it is also known as ಬೃಹಸ್ಪತಿ ಗ್ರಹ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೆಸರಿದೆ, and also it is seen in the night sky because of its size. And next one is, so there is no life existence in this planet because of the presence of poisonous gases. Okay, and it has 28 satellites. This is all about the Jupiter planet. So the next one is Saturn. Saturn, it is the 6th planet This is the 6th planet in our solar system. And it is also known as Shani Graha. And also it is the next biggest planet in our solar system. Means Jupiter first biggest planet anta helide alva. So adhe riti idara next one yavadu biggest planet andre Saturn. It is the biggest planet after the Jupiter. After the Jupiter planet. Jupiter planet ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು big planet ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು Saturn, and it have the maximum satellites, that is 30 satellites. So it has a 30 satellites. It has a 30 satellites, and it is also a very cold planet. It is a cold planet, and also Saturn is in yellowish color. Saturn is in yellowish color. So here also no life exists, no life can exist in this planet. Okay, so these are the points about the Saturn planet. Okay, so it is the sixth planet in our solar system, and it is also known as Shani Graha. So we will call this planet in the other name called Shani Graha, and it is the biggest planet after the Jupiter planet. I said that Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. After that Jupiter, the biggest planet is Saturn. So it has a maximum satellites in this planet. So means it has 30 satellites in it. We can see the in Saturn planet. So then it is a cold planet because of it is a very far off from the sun. So that's why there is no existence of the life on this planet, and also it is in a yellowish color. We can easily identify this planet. Okay. So the next planet is Uranus. The seventh planet called Uranus. It is the seventh planet in our solar system. It is the seventh planet from our solar system, and it can be seen only through the large telescope. Only through the large telescope. Okay, so it is also called as a Indra Graha. It is also called as Indra Graha. So first one is, it is the seventh planet in our solar system. It can be seen only through the large telescope, and it is also called as Indra Graha. The next one is, so it appears like a small disk. It appears like a small disk. Why? Because it is far off from the sun. Okay, it is very far off from the sun. So next one is, it is made up of mainly, it has 21 satellites, and it is also very cold planet. It is also a very cold planet. So next one is, there is no exist of life. Means it rotates on its axis from east to west. Okay, so these are all the points about the Uranus. It is the seventh planet in our solar system, and it can be seen only through the large telescope. Then it is also called as Indra Graha. This Uranus planet is also called as the Indra Graha, and Uranus it appears like a small disk because of this Uranus planet is located in far off from the sun, and also it is far off from the Earth planet also, and it has a 21 satellites, its own 21 satellites. It is also a very cold planet because of this atmosphere. It also contains hydrogen and helium. So because of this, there is no existence of the life in this planet, and also it rotates on its axis from east to west. Okay, so this is about the Uranus planet. These are the informations, so which are including in this planet. Okay, so the next one is Neptune. the last planet of our solar system. Neptune. So the first one is, it is the eighth planet of our solar system, and also it is a cold planet because it is far off from very distinct planet from the sun. So it is also called as, Varun Graha. It has 8 satellites. And some ring also, rings around it, and some rings are present around them. Okay, so then next one is, so first point is, it is the 8th planet in our of our solar system. Then second one is, it is a cold planet because it is very far off from the sun. It is a very distant planet in our solar system from the sun. So it has 8 planets of some rings. So it consists, those 8 planets consist of 8 satellites consist of some rings around them, and also it is a very small planet also. So it is also very cold planet because these are the features of this planet Neptune, and it consists of mainly hydrogen and helium gases. It is made up of frozen, means liquid form of frozen hydrogen and helium. So it is the most distant planet from the sun. Okay, so this is all about the Neptune. So it is the 8th planet of our solar system, and it is a cold planet because of it is very far off from the sun. The temperature of the sun, means the heat of the sun, it is not getting by this planet as very much for the other planets. Okay, ಬೇರೆ planets ಗಿಂತ ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ heat ಅನ್ನ sun ಇಂದ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So it is far off from the sun, so that's why it is a very cold planet, and also it has 8 satellites, and these satellites have, some of these satellites having a ring around it, and also it is made up of frozen hydrogen and helium, and then it is the most distant planet from the sun. Okay, this is about Neptune planet. So this is over our solar system. So all the planets we have covered. So but in Mars planet, I told that it is also called as a red planet because its surface is made up of appear like a red color. That's why the Mars planet is called as a red planet also. Okay, this is about the Mercury, Venus, and also Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So these all the planets which are revolving around our solar system. So next one is inner planets and outer planets. Inner planets anta yavudadಕ್ಕೆ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, outer planets anta yavudadಕ್ಕೆ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, so the first one is inner planet. inner planets. So inner planets anta helidre which are near to the sun means Mercury, next one is Earth, Mars. So these are all very near to the sun. So they are made up of a rocky planet, like they are having a very solid surfaces and they are having a less number of moons, means less number of satellites, and there is also in this inner planets we cannot see the rings. Okay, these are about the inner planets. The inner planets are very near to the sun and they are all very hot planets, and also they consist of they are made up of solid surfaces like our Earth, and also it consists of some moon, means less number of satellites around it, and also these the inner planets will not consist of rings around it. This is all about the inner planets. Means first one point is, so here the first 4 planet anna navu inner planet anta karite. The first 4 planets means Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are much nearer to Earth, much nearer to the sun, are called as inner planets. So first one is, so the inner planets are, these planets are small and dense bodies having solid surface like Earth, having solid surface like Earth. So it is made up of, these planets are made up of metallic cores and rocks, made of rocks and metallic cores. So they have very few moons, means satellites, few moons. Okay, these are all about the inner planets. The first 4 planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, are much nearer to the sun. So that's why these planets will called as inner planets. So because of they are nearer to the sun, they are very hot planets. They are considered as hot planets, and also they are getting a sufficient amount of light and heat from the sun. So these planets are very small and dense bodies having a solid surface like Earth, means like Earth ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮತ್ತು ಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಾಡೀಸ್ ಇಂದ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈ 4 ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, these planets are made of rocks and metallic cores. ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಮೆಟಾಲಿಕ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಫ್ಯೂ ಮೂನ್ಸ್. This is about means few moons means satellites. So it is having a less number of satellites compared to the other planets. Okay, so this is about inner planets. So then outer planets. So the remaining 8 planets after the Mars. So we discussed about the Jupiter, Uranus, Saturn, Neptune. So these planets are called as outer planets. So they are considered as a very far off from the sun, and they are a very cold planet, and they are not made up of a solid surface like inner planets. Okay, they are made up of gaseous, means frozen type of liquids like hydrogen and helium, and also they are having a large number of moons means large amount of moons matte satellites idalli present irutte. Okay, so next one is outer planets. Outer planets andre enu hagadre? So the planets outside the orbit of Mars, the planets which are the planets outside the orbit of Mars are called outer planets. So hagadre yada outer planets Mars admele barodu Jupiter, Saturn, then Uranus, then Neptune. So these 4 planets are called as outer planets. So the other 4 planets means they are outside the orbit of the Mars. Mars planet ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ planets 4 planets ಅನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ outer planets ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. That is one of the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And these planets are called as very very cold planets because they are very far off from the sun, and also they are made up of a large number of moons means satellites, and also they does not consist of a solid surface like inner planets. So the next point is they are further from they have a ring system. I told that earlier. So they have a ring system around them. And they have large number of moons mean satellites. Okay, moons around them. They are made up of mainly hydrogen and helium gas. They are made up of hydrogen and helium gas. So they are outer planets are called as cold planets. Outer planets are called as cold planet because they are far off from the sun, because they are far off from the sun. This is all about outer planets. So the planets outside the orbit of Mars are called outer planets, and the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, they are called as the outer planets. So they have a ring system around them. So we saw that in Jupiter and Saturn also, and some Neptune moons also, they are made up of a ring. So mainly in the outer planets we can see the ring system. So next one is there are the large number of moons around them. So I told that in the Saturn 30 satellites are there, in Jupiter 28 satellites are there. So these outer planets consist of a large number of moons means satellites, and they are made up of hydrogen and helium gases. So they are not made up of a solid surfaces. Okay, so they are made up of hydrogen and helium gases. So outer planets are called as a cold planet. So because they are far off from the sun, so that's why they will consider as a cold planet. So this is all about the remaining planets of the solar system, and we have discussed about the inner and outer planets. So in the next part we will discuss about the other celestial objects like asteroids, meteoroids, and about some artificial satellites. Thank you.